Guys, welcome to Mwalimu Muhammad channel. I am Muhammad Hussein, a biology chemistry teacher. This channel is dedicated to providing high quality education content. Every week I share lessons, tips and resources that may help you excel in your studies. Kindly, I request you to subscribe, like, and share Mwalimu Muhammad channel. And turn on notifications to get more updates about this channel. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about the manufacture of sodium carbonate by extraction from trona. Today, we are going to discuss about industrial manufacture of sodium carbonate by the Solvay process. Let's start. We start with the raw materials. Raw materials. The raw materials that we have, one is the limestone. It is calcium carbonate. Secondly is the brine. We have the brine. It is concentrated sodium chloride. Third one, we have the ammonia. And fourth, we have water. These are the raw materials for the Solvay process, and we are going to discuss about it. We also have the parts of the process and the reactions that will occur. Part of the process. The first part of the process is called the ammoniating tower. Ammoniating tower. Second one, we have the carbonator or the Solvay tower. Third one, we have the kiln. Fourth one, we have the ammonia generator. Fifth, we have the roaster. Sixth, we have the slacker. And finally, we have filter. So these are the part of the process, and you will see the reaction that will occur in these parts. So let's come to the flow chart of the Solvay process. This is the flow chart now. We have the first chamber, we have the ammoniating tower. We have the ammoniating tower. We have here the carbonator. We have carbonator. Here we have ammonia generator. This chamber is called the ammonia generator. And here we have the filter. We also have the roaster. We have the slacker. And finally we have the kiln. So in the kiln, there in the kiln, a limestone comes. Limestone. Remember, the limestone is the calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate in the kiln will be decomposed by heat to produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. They are calcium oxide and carbon dioxide will be produced. Therefore, the calcium oxide that produced from the kiln will be pumped into the slacker where the water comes in. Water will come in here in the slacker. And the carbon dioxide is pumped into the ammonia generator, or into the carbonator. Carbon dioxide will be pumped into the carbonator. Now, here we have the ammonia. We have ammonia here, and we have brine. Here, in this process, ammonia and brine are mixed together in the ammoniating tower to form the ammoniacal brine. Ammoniacal brine. And here we have the ammoniacal brine. Now the brine, we have said, is the concentrated sodium chloride, and we have the ammonia. So in the carbonator, we are going to have the ammoniacal brine, carbon dioxide from the kiln is pumped from the base, and the ammoniacal brine, which is concentrated sodium chloride and ammonia and carbon dioxide, will mix together. Therefore, here we have the ammonia, we have concentrated sodium chloride, we have carbon dioxide and water. So when they mix, they will form sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. So the sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride that form is pumped into the filter chamber. Now the sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated as a resid, or is collected as a resid. You have sodium hydrogen carbonate as a resid and the ammonium chloride as a filtrate. Ammonium chloride as a filtrate. Now in the filter, we have ammonium chloride as a filtrate and sodium hydrogen carbonate as a resid. Sodium hydrogen carbonate formed is pumped into the roaster, and the ammonium chloride is pumped into the ammonia generator. From the chamber kiln, we were having the calcium oxide. The calcium oxide from the kiln is mixed with water in the slacker and to produce the calcium hydroxide. We have calcium hydroxide here. And the sodium hydrogen carbonate in the roaster is decomposed by heat to produce the sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, which is pumped out, and carbon dioxide, which is recycled back. The carbon dioxide is recycled back to the carbonator. And now, in the filter, the ammonium chloride from the filter and calcium hydroxide from the slacker are mixed in the ammonia generator to produce calcium chloride, ammonia and water. Now here, ammonium chloride mixed with calcium hydroxide to produce first calcium chloride and ammonia, which is also recycled to the ammoniating tower, and calcium chloride is as byproduct. This one is the byproduct. Now, the reaction that will occur ammonium chloride in the carbonator is in the carbonator. Look here. The equation in the carbonator. We have the sodium chloride react with ammonia plus carbon dioxide plus water produce sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. This is the equation in the carbonator. There are two substances that are recycled there. Two substances that are recycled. The two substances that are recycled are, one is the carbon dioxide and the other one is the ammonia. Also, we also have the reaction that will occur in the killing. The calcium carbonate is decomposed by heat to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is gas, this is solid, and this is solid. This is the summary of the the flowchart of the industrial manufacture of sodium carbonate by the Solvay process. Today we are going to end our lesson here. Let's meet next time.